Ride the Wind. What we do here is we tell you stuff that actually happens in the world and not act like everything is like peaches and rainbows and stuff. What people are apprehensive about with the enclosed mobility scooters are what the laws are. And totally valid, absolutely valid, because these are new. It's like when the cars hit the roads when there was horses and carriages. That's what this is. Just like 3-4 years ago when the full-size motorcycles, the e-bikes came to the road, it's the exact same thing repeating itself. People have gotten their Nexas impounded. And that's super scary. Like, who wants to do that? But guess what? It's gone to court. This was in Sudbury. Sudbury's a little smaller. I don't think the police have as much to do around there because there's been no reported issues from anywhere else. We have over 100 of these sold, so we're getting feedback from all of our customers. So they had theirs impounded, and guess what happened in court? It was thrown out. The judge deemed these a medical device. There you go. I just want to give you the news. I want to report if this happens with another customer. We'll do another YouTube video about it. There's a pilot happening, so there's no laws on these. You can't possibly know all of the municipality rules, all the road rules. Should they? Yes, but you know what? Police are human as well. They have good days and bad days as well. But yeah, one of these got impounded. Customer did have to pay the impound fees. That sucks. They're gonna do a GoFundMe for that. But it went to court and the judge is like, no, I'm sorry, this cannot be licensed. It doesn't need insurance. They deemed it a medical device. I like the urban mobility vehicles. That's my favorite term so far for these. But that's the news from Ride the Wind. Thanks for watching. Let me know your comments below.